Hey, I'm Chuck Zito. I'm here in Hicksville, New York at AutoMat, Customize and Restoration, your one-stop shop. You remember, 16 years ago I brought my 57 Chevy here to Beach from the East. They did an outrageous job. The interior was amazing. 10 years later, I brought my 68 Dodge Charger here. The mighty Mopar did the same thing. Outrageous job. Now, I'm here with my 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. And we're ready to do this car just as badass as the others. It was just dynoed at 535 horsepower. It's all gutted, waiting for a new interior. I'm sitting on a cushion. This used to be black interior. It's going to be all white pearl interior. So now, AutoMat, it's time to do your thing.
After midnight, rocking to the dawn, loving till the morning, and I'm gone, I'm gone. I took the city by the 1 a.m. Loaded, loaded. I'm gonna get up to score again. Loaded, loaded. I come alive in a neon light. That's when I make my moves right. It's after midnight, rocking to the dawn, loving till the morning, then I'm gone, I'm gone. Got gleaming chrome, reflecting feel, loaded, loaded, ready to take on every deal, loaded, loaded. My pulse is racing, hot to take. This motor's around up fit to break. After midnight, rocking to the dawn, loving till the morning, then I'm gone, I'm gone.
Okay, I'm in the process of putting electric cutouts on the car. I like to put my hole at the biggest point. It's a collector. So I got my hole here. I got to cut the angle, get the right angle, and basically it's going to look like that. So I pull into coffee cars and bikes. I hit the switch and the headers open up. Loud.
I'm traveling down the road, not flirting with disaster. I got the pedal to the floor, my life is running faster. I'm out of money, out of hope, it looks like self-destruction. Well, how much more can we take with all of this corruption? We're flirting with disaster, y'all know what I mean.
Hey Tim, I got some badass tires for a badass Chevelle. 15.5 inches wide, 14-inch deep dish.
We're together with the time we choose our destiny. I'm traveling down that lonesome road. Feel like I'm trying to low. Yeah, I try to turn my head away.
Whoa! Look at these guys at AutoMat. What a great job they did. Awesome, as usual. Whoa. Look, my Mighty Mouse. Now I'm back in the 70 Chevelle. Remember when this was gutted? Waiting for a new interior. I'm sitting on a cushion. Look at this white pearl interior. White headliner, white console with Elvis Presley's TCB. Even my A-pillars are chrome. And don't forget, my red rugs. As you know, I name all my cars, and this is the Chevelle from hell. So I named it Chevelle. And my LS6 motor, so LS6 SS. I want to check out the trunk for the first time. Wow. My floor mats, the Italian bad boy. That's me. As you can tell, look at that wheel. Now that's badass. I put my name on all my cars. Chuck Zito. When you see it, it means don't touch it, or else. Let's see how this thing looks all lit up. They put my Hollywood lights on. Holy shit. Unbelievable.
All right, Chuck, we did it. Yeah, man.
Awesome, Tim. Thank you so much.
Thank
man.
you, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you remember when we went to that car show and we had about 4 Chevelles pulled in front of us?
Absolutely.
And they all looked the same. They were nice, but all the same.
All
what'd you
white,
say?
with white stripes. And I said, it's time to change my car.
Different from everybody else.
Absolutely.
So it's pretty cool. You had a fantastic vision, and we made it happen.
Yep. AutoMat, your one-stop shop,
That's us.
where they produce miracles here. And this is the AutoMat crew that made it all possible. Thank you, guys. Awesome job. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tim, thank you again for a fantastic job. Unbelievable.
Thank you, Chuck.
Oh, one more thing. Remember I said open headers?